Here I've got MEDION Life X5004 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then click on More under Wireless and Networks and go to Tethering and Portable Hotspot. To activate Wi-Fi hotspot, smoothly click on Portable Hotspot, wait a couple of seconds, and now you can share network with other devices. As you can see, it's active. Also here, the sign appear, and that means that you have currently your Wi-Fi hotspot active. Then you can switch off your personal hotspot by tapping on the same switcher. If you would like to change the network name and also the password, just click on Set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and here, by deleting the current network name, you can enter a new one, and then you can click on Show Password to see what your current password is, and then you can delete it and enter the one that you would like to have. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. So once the changes are made, just click on Save, and that's it. So now your network name is HardReset, and then the password is like almost 10 zeros, I guess, or O. Yeah, it's O letter. So that's it. As you can see, it has been changed. You can now share your network easily with other devices. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.